Here we have the DJI Mini SE, one of the most compact and powerful drones on the market. The DJI Mini SE weighs only less than 250 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and portable. You can literally fit it in the palm of your hand. It's perfect for travel and adventure, so you can take it just about anywhere without any hassle. Despite its small size, this drone has still a decent camera quality. The Mini SE captures sharp 2.7K video and 12 megapixel photos, giving you a crisp and vibrant visuals from the sky. Plus, the 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage. With a flight time up to 31 minutes, you will have plenty of time to get those perfect shots. The Mini SE also has a range up to 10 kilometers. Here are some example videos of the drone, unedited and no color corrections. This one is recorded in Palawan in the Philippines. Very beautiful over there. I never flew a drone before and I had zero experience. It's just super easy to fly this DJI. You connect your phone to the remote and everything sets up quickly. In no time you get it up into the air.